I'm going to give you the official definitions of all these pieces of your linear function equation. Mrs. Orchard, if you need more time to write down these definitions in their notes notebook, go ahead and pause the video. But I'm going to quickly go through these, okay? So f of x is just your y, y'all. It's just the range is all of your y values, okay? So if we plug in something for x, the f of x is going to be the answer to that, or your y. X is just your domain, so x are just all of your x values, all your possible x values is your domain, so whatever we plug in for x is your x. A, or your m, this is your slope, that's what we call it. It's the top number of your fraction is your rise, so telling you how far up or down to go on the y-axis. And the bottom number of your fraction is your run, or how far right you're going to bring over your point. So for instance, in the fraction 1/2, the 1 is telling you how far up to go. The 2 is telling you how far right to go. If it's a whole number like 2, we're just changing it into a fraction, so we just put it over 1. The top number is telling you how far up to go. The bottom number is telling you how far right to go. Okie dokie? And then B, we call this our y-intercept. And this is the point where your line crosses the y-axis. Okay, so if it's -2, go down 2. If it's -5, go down 5. If it's +3, go up 3. And put a point. Okay, if you need time to write this down, go ahead and pause the video. But I'm going to go ahead and explain the activity for today. So you're going to practice matching graphs with your equations. So you're going to get a bunch of graphs, letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, with a small white box under each graph. Okay, the box is where you're going to put the number of the equation that goes with it. Okay, so find the equation on the paper, match it with the graph, and put the number in the box that's provided with the graph. Do not turn this in when you're done. Okay, you're going to keep it. We'll finish it on another day because I don't think you'll finish it today. But what you will turn in is your exploration page, the linear functions that we just did, the questions with the PowerPoint. Make sure you turn that in. Keep your activity page today. We're going to finish in the future. Don't lose it. And if you have any questions, let me know. But I hope you have a great day. I hope this went well. Sorry I wasn't there. If you have any questions, I'll answer them tomorrow.